Looking for a replacement door mirror that fits perfectly and works just like the original? Whether you've accidentally damaged your mirror or want a reliable backup, this replacement door mirror is designed to match your vehicle's specific year, make, and model exactly. It's a seamless fit, with no compromises on quality or function. What makes this door mirror stand out is how it mirrors the original assembly in every detail. It includes the same mirror glass, housing, bracket, and technology as the part your vehicle came with. That means all the automatic controls, like adjusting and setting the mirror, work exactly as they should. No guessing, no surprises. Plus, it's engineered with precision so you don't have to worry about fit issues or compatibility. Just enter your make, model, and trim level in the Amazon garage to double-check it's the right match for your vehicle. The real benefit here? You get all this quality at a fraction of the cost you'd pay at a dealership or from the original manufacturer. For less than $40, you can replace a broken mirror and restore full functionality without breaking the bank. Installation is straightforward too. No special tools or professional help needed. If you're comfortable with basic DIY, this is a quick fix that saves time and money. One satisfied customer shared their experience. Their teenage driver knocked off the driver's side mirror, but replacing it was easy and affordable. They noted how well the mirror worked afterward, with all automatic features fully functional. It's proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a reliable, high-quality replacement part. If you want a dependable, cost-effective solution that looks and works like the original, this door mirror is worth a look. It delivers exactly what you need: perfect fit, full functionality, and hassle-free installation. Try it when you're ready to fix your vehicle without the dealership price tag.